What if the university you choose today determines not just what you study, but also tells you where you can work, what problems you can solve, and what kind of future you can build? And here is something most students don't understand. You don't have to choose between US, Europe, and Australia if you are looking for a truly international education. Japan has universities offering everything from global business and engineering to liberal arts and also American degrees and even the technology that could take humanity to the moon. And at Sakura Quest this year, you can explore all of this in one place. Today, we are introducing 6 universities participating in Sakura Quest. What you can study, what makes each of these universities different, and the scholarship opportunities you should know about. Let's find out which of these universities is right for you. I'm Deepti Singh and I am the founder of Education Japan, and I'm your mentor to guide you about the best universities and applications in Japan. Let's start with the first participating university, that is Ritsumeikan Asia Pacific University. This university is famous for its international environment. Ritsumeikan APU is one place where you can get global experience. APU deserves your attention for its programs across international relations and Asia Pacific studies. It has programs in international management and sustainability and tourism. And whether you are interested in international affairs, business, sustainability, or tourism, or any kind of global career, there are several pathways to explore. But APU is also interesting because of its international student community. You're not simply studying in Japan, you are studying with people from around the globe. APU has students from more than 90 different countries on one campus. And then comes the question parents always ask, what about scholarships? APU offers tuition reduction scholarships for international students. There are different levels of scholarships to support depending on selection and eligibility. So if you're looking for international education, Japan, and a multicultural environment, APU should definitely be on your list. Next university is Ritsumeikan University, specifically the FREX program. Now let's go somewhere completely different. What if your graduate degree could take you beyond Earth? Ritsumeikan University is planning a new graduate school of frontier exploration in Earth and space, and it is scheduled to be established in 2028. And this isn't simply a traditional aerospace degree. The concept brings together space and Earth exploration science, space and Earth exploration technology, and also innovation management. Students could explore areas including Earth, Moon, and Mars resources, space instruments and satellites, space robotics, satellite communication. They can also explore extreme Earth environments, lunar infrastructure, and the technologies needed for future explorations. And what makes this even more interesting and exciting is that Ritsumeikan's Earth and Space Exploration Center is already involved in space technology research. Do you guys know that its research contributed to the multi-band camera which was used in Japan's Slim Lunar Lander, which successfully landed on the moon in 2024? So the university is already partnered with JAXA, which is the largest organization in Japan to conduct such experiments and initiatives. And they have collaborated with JAXA on research and development related to a crewed personalized rover. For the Artemis program as well. So this isn't simply about studying space, but it's about preparing people who can help build future of space exploration. The program is planned to be primarily English based, and it will have approximately half of its students as international students. So here is a great opportunity for students who are looking for master's program and are interested in space science and engineering. So please visit Sakura Quest and have a heartful conversation with Frex team. I don't want to just watch the future, and I want to rather build it. If that is on your mind, Ritsumikan Frex should be on your radar, it should be on your list. Now let's move from space to business. If your goal is to build a career in business, management, entrepreneurship, or international commerce, then you must take a look at NUCB Undergraduate School. One of its key pathways is Global BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration. The focus is on developing students who can think internationally and understand how businesses operate across cultures and across markets. And scholarships are another reason to explore NUCB. The university offers a range of scholarships, and they include tuition reduction scholarships for outstanding students. So if you see yourself becoming an entrepreneur, a business leader, or a consultant, or if working for an international company, NUCB could be an interesting pathway for you to explore. Now, what if you are a student who says, I like business, but I also like psychology? In that case, you should look at ICLA, International College of Liberal Arts. Also, for students who think, I'm interested in politics, culture, communication, and international affairs. I don't want to lock myself into one narrow subject when I am 17 or 18 years old. Then you should know about this university, ICLA, in detail. ICLA offers English medium interdisciplinary liberal arts program. Students can explore areas including business and economics, political science, Japan studies, and interdisciplinary arts. The idea is to develop students who can connect different fields rather than thinking about education in silos. And scholarship opportunities are available, including merit-based tuition reduction scholarships at different levels. So if you're looking for English education, Japan, interdisciplinary studies, and a global environment, ICLA is perfect for you. Now, here is something completely different. What if you want to live in Japan but earn an American university degree? That's where Temple University Japan campus comes in. TUJ offers an English-speaking academic environment in Japan and provides American degree programs for students who want international education but don't necessarily want a traditional Japanese university. Rather, they want to experience something completely different. You can explore areas including business, communication, economics, international affairs, and other fields depending on your program. And yes, there are scholarship opportunities for eligible students. So your pathway could look like American education but in Japan, along with international career exposure. That's a combination worth knowing about. And finally, let's talk about Kyoto University of Advanced Sciences. If you are interested in engineering, robotics, technology, AI, environmental sciences, or business, KUAS has programs that connect technical education with real-world applications and innovation. For engineering students, the university offers opportunities to explore areas related to advanced technology, robotics and mechanical systems and other engineering fields. And KUAS also has wonderful scholarship opportunities for high performing international students, including substantial tuition support under its scholarship schemes. So, if you want to study technology in Japan and you are thinking about your career beyond graduation, KUAS deserves a closer look as a student. And that's not all. And here is something very important. Other than universities, Sakura Quest is going to be much bigger. You will be meeting Japanese language schools, Japanese high schools, and education experts who can help you understand different pathways to Japan, because not everyone needs the same route. Maybe you are in class 10th and thinking about pursuing high school in Japan. Maybe you are in class 12th and looking for a bachelor's degree in Japan. Or maybe you are a university student and planning to do research or your master's in Japan. Or you are learning Japanese and looking for Japanese language schools. There isn't one Japan pathway. There is your Japan pathway. Always remember that. And if you are thinking Japan sounds great, but can I afford it? Don't make that decision based on assumptions. Scholarships vary by university, they vary by program, your academic performance and eligibility. Some universities offer substantial tuition reduction scholarships and some offer merit-based scholarships. Some also have additional financial support opportunities. The most important thing is to understand what are you eligible for, when do you apply, and what academic profile do you need for your application. And also, how do you build a stronger application? That's exactly the kind of conversation you can have at Sakura Quest with all the university representatives who are coming directly from Japan to meet you. So, which of these universities sound like you? I want to ask you whether it is Future Space Explorer or Global Business Student, Engineer, Liberal Arts Thinker, or you are looking for an American degree in Japan, or perhaps you are still figuring out which is the right pathway for me. You don't need to have all the answers before you come to Sakura Quest. Come and ask questions and get all the answers. You meet the universities, you explore courses, and you ask about scholarships. You talk to counselors from Education Japan and discover what studying and eventually working in Japan could look like for you. Sakura Quest is your opportunity to meet Japan even before you decide your future. Register now and bring your questions, bring your parents, and bring your friends. And most importantly, bring your ambition with you. We will see you at Sakura Quest. Please check out the description for more details. Thank you for watching and keep following Education Japan for more such information on Japan and its universities.